Hey girl, tell me what it's like in your world. Tell me about your life, what's the deal? Hey girl, who the naughty type, I can tell. Party every night.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, this video is all about Curology. Shout out to Curology for actually sponsoring this video. I am so thankful for you guys. So once again, thank you to Curology for sponsoring my video. Okay, so let's just jump right into it, okay? If you don't know what Curology is a 3-step skincare routine. We all love a cute little 3-step because, let's be for real, we don't have time for 15 steps here, okay? So they have the cleanser, which you use morning and night. They have your special handy dandy custom formula, which who doesn't like something customized for them? And you only use this at night. And then you have your handy dandy moisturizer because we all want to stay moisturized. No one likes a dry face out here. And you use this morning and night as well. The best part about Curology, you take this little skincare quiz that asks you questions. Then they pair you with a dermatology provider who looks through your quiz and creates a custom formula for you. So we're gonna start with, like I said, the handy dandy cleanser because I didn't wash my face tonight because I wanted to show you guys, you know, the cute little product. So I'm just gonna, you know, put some water on my face. It's kind of like how I like to do it. Here is the consistency of the cleanser. Now the cleanser is not customized. The only thing that's customized is the white bottle. So this works for everyone. So after I wash my face, next I use my custom formula. And I don't put a lot. I put about this much on my hands, and then in an upward position, I just like to, you know, rub it in. And I know a lot of you are probably like, girl, you have perfect skin, like, why are you using Curology? Curology is not just about acne. They actually customize to your wants and needs. So because I wear a lot of makeup, I've been like worried about clogged pores. So I made sure to click the clogged pores button on my quiz so that they could come up with a formula that will help with my clogged pores. And I also have like little minor dark spots just from, you know, picking at a pimple here and there. So I wanted to also get rid of the dark spots that I have. And I can say within the 2 weeks that I have been using this product, the dark spots are definitely clearing up. I feel like my whole face has actually gotten brighter. I'm not gonna say drastically, but I've definitely seen a change within the 2 weeks. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with my last step, which is the moisturizer, because as I repeat, you do not want to have a dry face. So I use this much. So yeah, and here's how my skin looks after my 3-step process. So yeah, I have like dark spots like right along here just from, like I said, like minor acne. And I feel like all in all, like it's definitely, you know, gone away. If any of you are interested in trying out Curology, your first month is actually free. All you have to do is pay $4.95 for shipping and handling, and do your little skincare quiz, and they will be getting these bottles up and running to you in a hot, quick, in a second. So yeah, I will have the link down below. Click my link so that you guys can get your free month because it's definitely something that is worth the try. With all that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you so much to Curology for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Stay safe. Bye.